Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the last video, I left you with a little bit of tease about a huge surprise that I couldn't wait to tell you guys. So the wait is finally over. I got a brand new 3D printer. I am beyond excited for this upgrade. It literally feels like Christmas morning right now. So let's get straight into the video, into the unboxing and setting up this beauty, because I know that you guys are as excited as I am right now to see it in action. First things first, let's open this box. The packaging is solid, exactly what you'd expect from something this premium. Everything is carefully layered and secured so nothing shifts during shipping. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Okay, let's carefully take out the printer. It's surprisingly lightweight for something so sturdy. You can already feel the quality in this frame. As I peel off the packaging, you can see how neatly everything is organized. It's like unwrapping a perfectly layered cake. Each layer reveals a new component. And here's the base of the printer, perfectly cushioned in protective foam, over which we got the frame, the accessories and all the smaller parts tucked into their own little spots. It's satisfying to see how much thought goes into the packaging alone. So moving on to the assembly of the printer, first step, securing the base to the frame. All of the pain seems to follow, like a shadow dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? To join both of these, I'm gonna go one screw at a time, making sure everything is lined up perfectly. It's really beginner friendly. If you've never assembled a printer before, this process is straightforward and simple to follow. Once the frame is secure, I'm connecting all the essential wires to the bottom. These connections are super important because they power the whole printer. It's like plugging in the brain and heart of this machine. So let's get the AMS set up. This is one of my favorite parts because it allows for multiple filament options, making multicolor prints easier than ever. I love how compact and smart this system is. It really levels up the whole printing experience. Now I'm the fool while you're breaking rules.
One eternity later.
And with that done, it's time to plug everything in. Moment of truth. Turning the printer on for the very first time.
Seems to follow like a shadow, dark and cold to the touch. Am I insane not to let go? Oh, go on, just do what you do.
The printer is running its initial calibration now, just making sure everything is perfectly aligned before we start printing. Calibration is always a little nerve-wracking, but it's smooth and pretty quick.
As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, let me bleed. Let me.
And of course, you know what comes next. The classic Benchy board test. It's like a rite of passage for every new printer at this point.
Gave you too much, now I'm swallowed. Now I'm a fool while you're breaking rules. Dangerous path that I follow. Oh, go on, just do what you do. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, let me bleed. As I bleed for you, cry for you, oh, let me bleed.
Watching this first print come to life never gets old. And look at that quality. Smooth lines, crisp details, and zero issues right out of the gate. That's when you know you've got a reliable machine. So here it is, my very first print from my brand new printer. A little cute, perfect Benchy. This setup process was smooth and the printer is officially running 24/7 at my place. I've already started experimenting with the printer and with new designs, and I'm so excited for what's coming next. In my next video, I'll be launching a new project, and I'll also be showing you a whole collection of unique and fun designs that I've been working on these days. If you're into 3D printing or thinking about getting started, trust me, this is your sign. Like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. As always, happy printing!